This is Nurse Hattie, and today we're talking all about skin. Do you sometimes look in the mirror and you think to yourself, what's happened to my skin? It's not supple, it's not juicy, it just looks drab and fine wrinkles. Well, today I want to tell you all about this product. It is from Roden & Fields, and it's called Redefine. And why is it called this? Let me show you. Have you heard of micro needling? That's a little roller that has tiny little blades, and basically what you do is you roll it on your skin. Why is this important? This makes little culminated needle pokes, which allows serum and other products to penetrate through the skin, creating this damage to the actual tissue, increases collagen production. All right, shall we see how this product works? Let's do it. So step 1, buy the product. Step 2, wash your face. Put a little soap there. I use something that does not have any chemicals. Put it right on your wash rag and begin to circular clean your face. Finish cleaning your face, and then we're going to start with a procedure. Very good. Third part, go ahead and take your little apparatus out of the package. There is actually a couple different versions of this roller. Just make sure that whatever you do, you get the one that has the little needles. There is some products that have blades. Let's do the step 4 in the bathroom. So now you take this little roller and you go across your face. It feels kind of weird because it's tiny little needles. So what I like to do is I just like to go back and forth, and it's going to get a little bit pink because you're increasing blood flow. I need it especially on my lower face. I'm getting a little bit of extra wrinkles there, not happy about. Okay, so you want to do your whole face. And especially underneath the eyes. Okay, and you want to do your nose. A little bit more thorough when you're doing it. Okay, there you go. Don't press down too hard. The needles are kind of pokey already, so. All right, now watch. I did one pass. You can do a second pass, and then 2 passes. Actually, we'll go with 3. I like 3. Anyways, you want to do 3 passes. Now, we're done with our procedure. What do we do with this brush? Because these needles have penetrated the skin. We want to keep everything nice and sterile. Let's go see how we do that. After you derma roll your face, you want to go ahead and put a little bit of this serum. What you do is you take one of these little beads out, cut the little neck of it, and then you can put it all over your face. It's a perfect time to do that because now the skin has nice culminated needle pokes, and the serum will get absorbed readily. All right, let's say we did that. I want to show you now. You also get a container here. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and fill up the container with water, and then you put your little derma roller in there. And the company also gives you some of these little tablets. These tablets, you open it up, and then you put it in there. Okay, see, it looks like this. You put it in there with your water, and you leave it in there. So you sterilize your product. This way you don't recontaminate your face every time you do the procedure. I love this because now I have begun to build collagen. All right, let's follow up in a month or so and see what's going on. By the way, you can also do your neck and your chest area. You don't have to stop at your face. All right, see you next time.